And now, as I said, how to find the nth term, fifth term, 75th term. Like for this example only, if you were to find the 50th term, if you are going to add on 8 after 50 kilometers, kitna hota hai? You'll get the answer, no doubt about that. But it is going to consume lots of time, isn't it? So to save the time, we have that formula. So let's look at first the same example. Okay, supposing I have to find the 50th term. Okay, so here what is A? A equals to 15. What is the common difference that we have checked? B equals to 8, correct? A is 15, B is 8. Now what we need to find out is the 50th term. A50 equals to question. A50 equals to question mark. That means we know this is AN. That means we know N equals to 50. Okay. The majority of the time, the places where you're going to make mistakes are very limited in this chapter. One is in D, you might make a mistake. That is, you might make a sign mistake. We will see that when we do further more examples. Positive 3 lena tha, negative lena tha, positive le liya. That can be one place where you can make a mistake. Second major mistake that many people will make is supposing you have to find N or AN. Kab N ढूंढना है, कब AN ढूंढना है. That is the only confusion that can happen. Okay, like here I said find the 50th term. That means N is 50. You have to find AN. Somebody might say, मुझे लगा कि AN is 50, N कितना. Now this confusion happens. Okay, and this confusion happens because of not understanding what is asked properly. English. Okay, most of the problems we do not get the answers because we have not understood the question. Because we do not know the question, obviously what we are going to solve more often than not is incorrect. कहाँ जाना है अगर आपको पता नहीं है तो आप जाओगे कैसे? You need to know the destination, then you will decide which road to go. स्कूल जाना है या और कहीं जाना है, अगर वो पता ही नहीं है घर से गाड़ी लेके निकल गए, जाएंगे कहाँ पर? So that happens. या जाना रहता है स्कूल को, हम पहुंच जाते हैं मॉल में. अच्छा स्कूल अब बुलाया था क्या? मुझे लगा मॉल में बुलाया. तो ऑब्वियसली यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू रीच वेयर यू आर सपोज्ड टू रीच. तो अगर एन ढूंढना और एन ढूंढने जाओगे या एन ढूंढना एन ढूंढने जाओगे, so that confusion many a times happen. If that doesn't happen, substituting and solving is not at all difficult, as we will see now. That's the easiest part. The difficult part is identifying this. If in every problem, if you can write this correctly, 50% or more than 50% of your problem is solved. If you can get all this correctly. But if you cannot get this correctly, 100% your problem is wrong. Your solution is wrong. Okay. So here now we have always write this an equals to a plus n minus 1 d, because even if you solve the sum wrong, but if your formula is correct, at least half a mark will be given to you. Okay, because marks are there at each step. For every step there are marks. So don't skip steps, don't jump steps, don't take shortcuts, because if you're going to skip steps, then you're going to have a problem. है ना, ये अगर लिख, अरे ये आता है लेकिन मैंने लिखा नहीं, आधा मार्क वैसे ही चला गया और आगे का रॉन्ग था वो नहीं मिला. लेकिन अगर ये लिख लिया और आगे का रॉन्ग भी है तो एटलीस्ट हाफ अ मार्क तो मिलेगा. So don't skip steps. Wherever formula is there, please write. Now AN हमको ढूंढना है तो वैसे ही रहेगा. कितना है? A50. A का वैल्यू दिया है 15. n का वैल्यू दिया है 50 minus 1, d का वैल्यू भी दिया है. So how much is this? 15 plus 49 into 15 plus 49 into 8. Now next mistake that you people, not you as such, you particularly, but most of the students, next mistake that they're going to do, that also we will see. So the 50th term is 512, correct? Yes or no? Understood till here? So if you all have done this, and if you have written A50 equals to this, and supposing this is a 2-mark sum, you're not going to get 2 marks. Maximum you will get is 1 mark, because you have written half a mark for the formula, और आधा sum आपने write किया, इसके लिए एक आधा mark और मिलेगा. But 1 mark only if it is a 2-mark sum, because we have done very basic mistake which many people, not only school children, even adults who have passed out college and whatnot, they also make the same mistake. This is wrong. This is wrong. We have learned in school BODMAS. So first comes multiplication, then comes addition. So this is going to be wrong. So what is it? It is 15 plus 49 into 15 into plus 49 into 8. Now what is 49 into 8? That is 392. So it's going to be 407 and not 512. Is this clear? This mistake many people do. पहले add करते हैं फिर multiply करते हैं. Don't do that. Be very careful. Simple sums रहते हैं, लेकिन छोटी छोटी गलतियों में बड़े बड़े मार्क्स हमारे चले जाते हैं. So छोटी छोटी गलतियां बहुत बहुत महंगी पड़ती हैं. You have to be very 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 careful. Are we clear with this? You want to write it down? Please write it down. Then we are going to look at one more example. Done? Finished with this? Okay. Let's do one more example. Rima applied for a job. Rima applied for a job and got selected. आप लोगों के स्कूल से ही रहेगी, अच्छी होशियार रहेगी, इसके लिए मैं सिलेक्शन होगी. Rima applied for a job and got selected. Rima applied for a job and got selected. She has been offered a job. She has been offered a job with a starting monthly salary. She has been offered a job. She has been offered a job with a starting monthly salary of rupees 8,000. She has been offered a job with starting monthly salary of rupees 8,000 with an annual increment, with an annual increment of rupees 500, with an annual increment of rupees 500. Rima applied for a job and got selected. She has been offered a job with a starting monthly salary of rupees 8,000 with an annual increment of rupees 500. What would be her salary? What would be her salary? What would be her salary for the 25th year? What would be her salary for the 25th year? What would be her salary for the 25th year? Okay. Starting salary 8,000, annual increment rupees 500. What would be her salary for the 25th year? अब इसमें से ऊपर की सब चीजें आपको ढूंढनी है. See if you all can do that. What is A? What is D? Whether N is given, whether AN is given,